Well, hi everybody. This is Ron O'Donnell, Foreclosure Ammunition.com for my January 2017 video for the brand new year on foreclosure defense. Here we are again, folks. I haven't done a video since 2014. That's been 2 years. That's 2 elections ago. One where I lost a special election for state senate, and then the most recent one where I lost for the general election for state senate. But I did manage to win the Democratic Party ex officio status. I had received 141,500 votes. And these are people here in the desert, San Bernardino and Riverside counties, and portions of LA County, who believe that we need to jail the banksters for this mortgage fraud. So here we go. My first video, which will be uploaded to YouTube, and I have found some tremendous help over the years that I didn't have when I did my initial videos, as you could probably tell because of the quality. But anyway, I want to introduce one of my computer geniuses here. And, I hope if you can get her some work, you could contact me and I'll go ahead and forward your information to her. And her name is Vanessa Espinoza, and she's a young girl in high school. Come on over here and wave.
Hi.
And by the way, you heard old men, like me and you, and old ladies like me and you, if you want to learn something about computers, just go ask your granddaughter, right?
Yeah.
Well, she's not my granddaughter, but she's a beauty, and she certainly knows what she's doing. So here we go. This is going to be a very short video because I've been hearing for 2 or 3 years now that people have been unable to contact me. And there's no doubt about why. The reason why is because initially when I did my videos and I started, I had no idea where this book was going. By the way, I'm on the top 3 according to my producer here. When you Google search foreclosures, you're going to find me right there. And we're going to find my workbook, which is Foreclosure Ammunition. And this is the workbook that we all work together with. This is where we start. We get the workbook. We go through it together. We have to be on the same page. You're losing your home, and you need strategic foreclosure defense. This book, right here, that I've written and rewritten now for 8 years. In fact, there isn't a page in here that is similar to a page that I wrote 8 years ago. And it's because the law changed. Everything changed. We're talking Glaske now. We're talking Yanova case, and there's more coming. We're talking about a totally different world than we were in 2014. But that doesn't help you save your home unless you buy the workbook. And here's where you get it. You go on to Foreclosure Ammunition, that's one word. And you need to learn how to spell foreclosure. Foreclosure, ammunition. AMM, 2 M's, UNITION.com. You go on to that site, order the workbook. The workbook is $99.99. If you have a particular problem and can't afford $99.99 and you're getting evicted and you're losing your home, then you can call me and I'll give you a discount. I want to help people. My phone number for that, I will disclose it to you as you explain to me by contacting me at foreclosureammunition@gmail.com via email, and then let me know what the problem is with coming up with the money for the book and a little bit about it, and I'll go ahead and see to it that you'll get one, even if it's free. Now, beginning on February the 3rd of this year, we're going to have a seminar at the Elks Lodge in Redlands, which I'm inviting attorneys to attend. At which time, whoop, there goes the book. I better set it down a little bit here this way. I have the Rodriguez Law Group, Inc. The lead attorney and the owner of that company is Patricia Rodriguez, and she's going to conduct the seminar. For attorneys, the seminar is $500. For students, the seminar is $25. And why is there a difference? Well, the difference is because the attorneys that attend the seminar will be entitled to getting continuing education credits of 5.5 hours. And that goes towards maintaining their law license. They know this. And the students don't have enough money to pay their student loans. So why I charge them $25 is so that I can go ahead and cover the cost of my workbook and the manuals they'll need when they're attending the seminar. By the way, the cover on here that you're looking at is, the binder I call it, it cost $8. I need to figure out a way to get them cheaper, so if anybody knows, let me know. But this video is about announcing the 2017 we're winning. I have some very, very interesting cases that I'm going to do in my very next video. But right now I just want you to know how to contact me, because that's been a problem. And I will repeat, if you need to get a pen, go get it now. Piece of paper, go get it now. If you're by your computer, get it now. And I'll announce it again. And by the way, in all further communications, I ask that you contact me when you're sitting in front of your computer. And the reason for that is because, we can chit-chat on the phone all we want. We don't get anywhere, we don't get anything done. If you're on your computer and you're sitting there and we're talking, I can click with a button, send you thousands and thousands of documents for free. But I don't need, the conversation. We're sitting here talking and then you say, well, oh no, I have to pick up my kids. I'm babysitting, or, I hear all kind of, silly things. I'm in Albertsons, Oh, are you? Oh, okay. But what did that do to help you? Nothing. You want to contact me, you want to get the business, that's what I'm about. Nothing but business. That's why I ran for state senate. That's why I wrote this workbook. That's why we're doing attorney seminars. That's why it's approved all over this country. I've never had anyone complain about my workbook. Not one. That's amazing today. When first when I did this, it was a little challenging. But guess what? I've never been challenged. Not one single time on this workbook and the quality of it. It only encompasses Supreme Court decisions of the United States Supreme Court, appellate court decisions of the appellate courts and the state Supreme Courts of the various states. It only encompasses the law that we're all forced to live under and how we're going to deal with it during our foreclosure crisis. So with that, I'm going to say, please look forward to now video number 2 for the year 2017. The prior videos are not expunged, they're not irrelevant. There was nothing in them ever that was time sensitive. So you go back, take a look at them, and learn from them. But starting now, in 2017, you watch how much better they get. Because now we're going to work. And we have 3 years of real hard court experience in cases and law and dictum. And we have the names of the perpetrators, the law firms that are the illegal foreclosure mills, the crooks, and the people that are going to jail. Remember, I always said, we're going to jail the banksters. And with that, goodbye.